What the heck is that? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, guys. Just walked out towards the car this morning and I noticed this. I'm trying to figure out what that is. I got my shop rag and it doesn't come off. And then I remembered that last days off, I actually waxed the car. Now you have to wax your car in a BC winter, especially a lower mainland winter, because this type of weather, also known as rainy and shitty, will stay here until about April or May. So what I figured that was polish. So car wax. Now I had to keep it, do the car wax because it gets all the salt from the streets and the roads, helps it get off. But I think that little schmutz there is from when I took the wheel, the buffing wheel to it. So as you can see, that this rag does absolutely nothing for it. However, what I learnt last year when I had done the same on my motorcycle is I had got some polish on the hard black plastic, and what I got was this. Now this in England is a rubber, and here in North America it's an eraser. So it's a white eraser, and all you have to do is give it a good rub. I tried everything else, that rag, a couple of times, and that's first attempt. So you have to do a couple of times. Here's my second event or attempt, so it's almost done. And here's my last cover of it. And I think that is as good as new, or as good as it's going to get. So if you're ever polishing your car and you get a bit of wax on the black plastic, all it takes is a little eraser. Cheers. Bye.